Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a machine that completely breaks the electric hyper-sedan market, the 2026 Xiaomi SU7 Ultra. Xiaomi took the smartphone world by storm, and now they are target-locking hypercars like the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT and Tesla Model S Plaid. Stepping up to the exterior, the SU7 Ultra looks like an absolute track weapon. It takes the sleek, fastback silhouette of the standard SU7 and aggressive fits it with massive aerodynamic upgrades. You get a full carbon fiber roof, a massive active rear diffuser, aggressive side skirts, and a huge 1.5-meter carbon fiber rear wing that generates incredible downforce at high speeds. Down low, it sits on 21-inch lightweight wheels wrapped in track-focused rubber, giving it a low-slung stance that demands total respect on the asphalt. Stepping inside, the interior balances pure race car vibes with high-end luxury tech. Almost every touchpoint is draped in premium Alcantara and exposed carbon fiber. You get race-inspired bucket seats with aggressive side bolstering to lock you in during extreme cornering, plus a flat-bottom sports steering wheel. Looking under the hood, or rather under the skin of this electric monster, lies a powertrain that sounds straight out of science fiction. The SU7 Ultra is powered by a tri-motor setup featuring two of Xiaomi's self-developed HyperEngine V8 motors and one V6 motor. Together, they produce a staggering 1,548 horsepower and 1,305 pound-feet of torque. That rocket ships this four-door sedan from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a mind-bending 1.98 seconds, maxing out at a top speed of 350 kilometers per hour. Feeding those motors is CATL's track-optimized Qilin 2.0 battery pack, operating on an ultra-fast 897-volt architecture that recharges from 10 to 80% in just 11 minutes. Talking about price, the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra launched with a starting pre-order price in China of roughly 814,900 yuan, which translates to around $112,000 to $115,000 USD. When you compare that to European hyper-EV rivals costing well over $200,000, the performance per dollar ratio here is completely unbeatable. When it comes to safety, Xiaomi did not hold back. Stopping all 1,500 horses requires extreme stopping power, so it comes equipped with massive Akebano carbon ceramic brakes that bring the car from 100 to 0 in just 30.8 meters. Structurally, it relies on a high-strength steel and aluminum cell-to-chassis body with an integrated roll cage structure. On the active safety front, it packs an array of sensors, including LiDAR, 4D millimeter wave radar, and high-definition cameras driven by heavy-duty compute chips for advanced collision avoidance, autonomous emergency braking, and lane keep safety. To summarize, the 2026 Xiaomi SU7 Ultra isn't just an impressive tech showcase. It is a legitimate record-shattering super sedan that puts legacy automakers on high alert. It offers stunning hypercar styling, track-focused interior craft, ultra-fast charging, and 1,500-plus horsepower for a fraction of the cost of its competition. That wraps up our complete look at the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, drop a comment letting me know if you would pick this over a Tesla Plaid or Porsche Taycan, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more raw automotive reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.